favepay top-up is built for speed, control, and everyday value, making it a practical choice for digital payments. One of the strongest benefits is instant balance availability. Once funds are added, the balance reflects immediately, allowing seamless payments without delays. This reliability matters for users who need to move fast, whether paying for subscriptions, digital services, or daily transactions. Cost efficiency is another major advantage. favepay top-ups are designed to minimize extra charges, helping users keep more of their money. When topping up in dollars, users can better track spending, plan budgets, and avoid unnecessary losses from hidden fees. This transparency makes financial management simpler and more predictable. Security is a core benefit. favepay uses layered protection to safeguard balances and transactions, reducing exposure to unauthorized access. This creates confidence when loading higher amounts or using the wallet frequently. For users who rely on digital payments, trust and protection are non-negotiable. Flexibility also stands out. favepay balances can be used across supported services without restrictions that complicate payments. This flexibility turns the wallet into a central payment hub rather than a single-use tool. Users gain convenience by consolidating spending in one place. Another key benefit is spending control. With clear transaction records and real-time balance updates, users can monitor where every dollar goes. This visibility supports smarter financial decisions and reduces impulse spending. Over time, this leads to better money habits and improved control. favepay top-ups also support smooth international use where applicable. Using dollars simplifies cross-platform payments and reduces confusion caused by multiple currencies. This is especially useful for digital products priced globally. Overall, favepay top-up delivers speed, security, flexibility, and cost awareness. It removes friction from digital payments and gives users a reliable way to manage and use their money efficiently in dollars every single day.